Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On today's episode, I'll be reviewing a particular village called the Ogogoro village. Now, this is a place where local gin is made. Now, I'm heading down here. Now, these are the kind of things we go through. Now, I have to go under this place to back to life, as you can see. I had to go through under that place to get to this place. So basically we are at the local Ogogoro factory. So this is like, I wish you guys can smell this right now. Some of those stuffs are kept in. Now this is where the processing starts. This is a very important part of the process. Now this part is where they store the palm wine. The raw material for making gin is actually palm wine, locally gotten from palm trees. So once they store it in those places to ferment for some particular number of days, then the next thing is they move it to the distiller. Now just like the process is more like the process involved in making crude oil. So now this is where the old boiling happens. So they pour the fermented palm wine into these tanks and then they put fire. It could be firewood, it could be charcoal. Then at a particular boiling point, it will start evaporating. Now the purpose of this thing is just to put water. It's more like a coolant, right, or a cooler. So now they fill that place with water so that the gaseous form, so because after boiling it turns to gas, now the gaseous form can be able to cool and come out from this part as the refined gin. And that is the process. It's a very simple but complicated process because you need to boil it to a particular temperature. You need to make sure the water is able to cool it at a particular temperature to be able to give you that local gin. Now that's the process for making local gin in Nigeria, and it's a very interesting process. Looking at I'm a science student, so I was able to see the process of actually distilling or refining gin, and that's basically, now these are the refined products. Now they claim this is like 100%, but obviously there's no way this will be 100%, but maybe like 40, 50 or 60% alcoholic content. We decide to buy some to take home. Now basically this is the process for refining or making local gin in Nigeria. So if you're yet to subscribe, please kindly subscribe, click on the subscription button, don't forget to click on the notifications icon, and also let me know your thought on this process. Do you think this is right, or do you think this is a good business? Let me know in the comment section below. I'll be looking forward to hearing from you guys.